Hi, everyone. My name is Shakira, and we're going to talk about what is going on in this house market and why should you care? Well, as you may have heard, the prices of houses is going up, and we're going to talk about why that is. And so, because of COVID, they have been having a harder time transporting the things. As you know, transporting other things has been affected, um, even from transporting medications, food, and also the supplies to build houses. So that has been slowed down because of COVID, the decrease in transportation of the things needed to build the houses, the supplies for the houses. So if you have a lower supply, what that means is the price is going up. So that's one reason is COVID, what we see with the housing market and why it's going to take more money to buy a house. Why should you care? Well, buying property, when you get in the habit of buying property, that is one of the best ways to build wealth besides investing in the stock market. So, people who get in the habit of buying property are actually building wealth. So, that is why you should care about what is going on in the housing market. Now, you know, if you live in expensive areas like California, things like that, you're not going to be trying to buy houses in California where the prices are sky high, but you're going to be looking at other areas where the housing is less expensive. So that's one reason why the housing prices is going up because of COVID. They're having a difficult time transporting the things over here to build the houses. So another reason for the difference in the housing market is the labor shortage. As you notice, you see signs all over the place. We're hiring, this place is hiring, that place is hiring. Where there is a labor shortage and you need people to build these houses. So, like I said before, when there is less supply, price is going up. There's less supply of people who are working. So, labor shortage. Uh, Number three, another reason why there is a difference in the housing market is the Federal Reserve, they have decided to increase the interest rate. So, increase in interest rate means increased pricing. So, that is another factor that is going on. There is a shortage of houses, so less supply, the higher the price. The cost more to buy the houses than it would normally cost. So, according to the predictions that are going on, people are making predictions into the future of what they foresee happening in the housing market. And they foresee things like home sales, um, selling houses by dropping by 25%. Since the price is so high, they are predicting that less people will be buying houses. And they predict that the home sales will drop down to 25%. They also been noticing that as far as doing refis, people doing mortgage refis, that has dropped down to 50%, according to what they are looking at. They are saying that less people are interested in buying houses at this time because of a variety of issues that are going on. Um, and so, with less people buying houses, that's considered reduced competition. So, if you're buying a whole bunch of property right now, you have less competition because other people are not looking at buying houses right now. Also, the appreciation has slowed down for this period of time. And there's a prediction that even though the prices of houses are high, they are predicting that it will go even higher than what it is already. That is the prediction. So they are predicting that home sales, the selling of houses, is expected to drop 25% by the end of summer. And so that is what's going on with the housing market, uh, increase in prices basically for a variety of reasons. And as you know, uh, although it is stated that the prices of homes is increased and they expect for it to go even higher, you should pretty much be unaffected by everything that is going on if you know where to look. So, in some areas, the prices are high, sky high. But if you look over in other areas, then you still can get a home despite of everything that is going on. Of course, it's going to be a little bit higher, but it does depend on where you're looking for these homes. So that is basically what is going on right now in the housing market and why you should be alert and aware to what is going on in the housing market. So, on another topic, I have a play coming up. And so, if you're in the area or you plan to be in the area in the month of September and you would like to have some fun, you're invited. Come on out to the play. Check it out on Eventbrite. The name of the play is called Friends. Yours truly will be starring in it. Well, I'm not starring in it, but I will be in it. Yours truly. The name of the play is called Friends again. Check it out on Eventbrite. I'm not going to have the link down today, but I might have it down the road. I might put the link out. So if you're interested, if you live in the area that I live in, or you plan to be here in September, come on and check us out and have some fun. So, this video is sponsored by my company, which is Elevation Mentor. And what I do is I help you to buy your first rental property. And so, this is for people who are brand new to real estate. You have never owned a property before. And so, I'm going to take you from the beginning stages all the way to when you have the rental property in your possession. And so I'm going to help you, show you how to find the deal, how to fund the deal, how to analyze the deal, and how to own property, even if you don't want to be a landlord. So this will get you started in that whole path of financial independence, in the whole process of building wealth. You can email me if you're interested. My email is info@elevationmentor.com. My website is elevationmentor.com, and I will have that information below. So go ahead and check me out. Check out the play if you're in the area, if you want to have some fun, and check out the mentorship if you're interested in building wealth, if you are tired of being broke, and if you're tired of if you're tired of worrying about not having enough money. Check me out. And there is a group of people, so you won't be by yourself trying to figure it out, and you'll have all your questions answered from the very beginning to the very end. Check me out. On your way out, please hit the like button. It helps the channel and it helps more people to see the channel. Have a great night.